This person made over $500,000 selling one PDF in a free marketplace using AI. Any beginner can do it with 2 hours time. You must be asking, what was the price? What was in the PDF? What is the marketplace? And what prompt with which AI application was used to create this PDF? Let's have a look. It was not an overnight success. It started back in 2020. They took 3 years, which means 1,095 days to make 141,917 sales. That gives you 135 sales per day on the average, with the average price of $3, making $405 per day. Here is the Etsy store that sells digital products like small business training workbook. For example, 1,000 easy digital products ideas to create for free with ChatGPT. They're selling for $1.67 and they deliver as digital product. With the average price of $3, 141,917 sales makes them $425,000. But here is the catch. All this did not happen overnight. They started this back in 2020. It was 3 years times 365 equals 1,095 days. And they made $135 per day. But honestly, this seems like a lot of work compared to the system that pays you $500 plus commissions for sale with the 99% done for you system, without product, without selling, without shipping, without customer support, and even without a website. To learn more about this system, check my profile, the first comment, and caption for a free case study.